Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bike security with the Aucurwen bike chain lock, hailed as one of the best UPVC locks available. Let's find out why. Now, when it comes to securing your bike, you want something that's not only durable but also versatile and easy to use. The Aucurwen bike chain lock checks all those boxes and more. First off, let's talk about security. This lock features a sturdy, all-metal construction, with a zinc alloy lock cylinder and 0.24-inch thick alloy steel chain links. That means it's not only resistant to cutting and drilling but also built to withstand the elements, keeping your bike safe in any conditions. But what sets this lock apart is its dual unlocking system. You can either use the included keys or set your own 4-digit combination for added convenience. No more worrying about forgetting your keys or struggling to remember a complex code. Plus, with its 3.2-foot length, this lock is versatile enough to secure multiple bikes together or lock your bike to various fixtures, whether it's a railing, fence, or gate. And thanks to the protective cloth sleeve, you can rest assured that your bike's frame won't get scratched or damaged during use. In conclusion, the Aucurwen bike chain lock offers unbeatable security, convenience, and peace of mind for cyclists of all levels. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the great outdoors, this lock has got you covered. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? Check out the Aucurwen bike chain lock today and keep your ride safe and secure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy riding!